Every vehicle has a beginning. Pause. But very few people ever see it. Long before the road, long before the engine starts, long before a family opens the door for the first time. Pause. It begins here, inside the factory. Pause. Today, we step inside the world where the Toyota Grand Highlander is born. Pause. This is not just manufacturing. This is responsibility. Pause. Because what is built here will carry lives. Pause. The journey starts with raw material. Massive coils of steel arrive every day. Cold, heavy, silent. Pause. But inside these sheets lies strength, safety, and possibility. Pause. Powerful stamping presses shape the metal with tremendous force. Each press forms a panel, a door, a roof, a structural frame. Pause. Every movement is measured. Every dimension is checked. Pause. Because accuracy is not a detail. It is protection. Pause. Now, the body shop comes alive. Robotic arms move in perfect rhythm. They weld. They align. They connect. Pause. Thousands of welds slowly create the Grand Highlander's skeleton. Pause. Sparks light the air, but every movement is controlled. Pause. Here, strength is not guessed, it is engineered. Pause. And behind every robot, human eyes watch, measure, and correct. Pause. Because technology is powerful, but responsibility is human. Pause. Next, the bare body enters the paint shop, one of the cleanest environments in the entire factory. Pause. Dust is the enemy here. Pause. The body is washed, treated, and prepared with extreme care. Pause. Layer after layer is applied. Primer to protect, color to define, clear coat to preserve. Pause. This is not only beauty. This is defense against time, weather, and corrosion. Pause. High-temperature ovens cure the finish, creating the deep shine we see on the road. Pause. Now, the vehicle begins to feel alive. Pause. In final assembly, the heart is installed. The engine, the transmission, the suspension. Pause. Humans and robots work side by side. Pause. Wiring is connected. Electronics awaken. Safety systems are integrated. Pause. Inside, the cabin takes form. Seats are fitted. The dashboard is installed. Controls respond. Pause. This is where metal becomes a living space. Pause. A place for families, for journeys, for everyday life. Pause. But no Toyota leaves this factory without proving itself. Pause. Quality inspection is relentless. Brakes are tested. Steering is checked. Alignment is measured. Pause. Water tests ensure sealing. Road simulators test stability and comfort. Pause. Noise is measured. Vibration is analyzed. Pause. Because silence is comfort, and comfort is safety. Pause. Only vehicles that meet every standard move forward. Pause. This process is not rushed. Pause. Because mistakes are not acceptable when lives are involved. Pause. Finally, the finished SUV stands ready. Pause. From steel to structure to strength. Pause. From engineering to trust. Pause. The Toyota Grand Highlander is not simply assembled. Pause. It is crafted. Pause. And when you see one on the road, remember. Pause. Its story began here. Pause. Inside the factory. Pause.